Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Wajia Tazneen, working in Al Khidmat Hospital as a senior MR technologist. I have been working in this hospital since the start of the services. This is an emerging institute which gives state-of-the-art facilities in a very minimum cost. Today, the topic of my presentation focuses on panic findings in MRI. What are the panic findings? Panic findings in MRI are the critical MRI abnormalities that results potential and life-threatening medical conditions that needs immediate attention. Let's discuss the objectives. It facilitates rapid diagnosis of life-threatening conditions. It monitors disease progression with precision. It helps to evaluate therapeutic response through soft tissue detailed imaging. It also helps in guidance, maintains prognosis. Okay, the first panic finding is acute stroke. Restricted on DWI, corresponding low signal on ADC. What are the clinical relevance? Leading cause of morbidity and mortality. Delayed treatment cause irreversible neuronal death. Long-term disability. Let's discuss how to spot it. As you can see, this is bright on DWI and it is dark on ADC. The other panic finding is intracranial hemorrhage. Acute hemorrhage, particularly subarachnoid and intraparenchymal. What are the significant clearance? Indicate ruptured aneurysm, hypertensive bleed. It indicates AVM. How to spot it? We have three images, axial T1, axial T2, and GRE. GRE is the main sequence to detect any bleed and hemorrhage. It is hypointense on T1, hyperintense on T2, and dark blooming effect on GRE. The other panic finding is spinal epidural abscess, a collection in the epidural space, often with rim enhancement, comprising the spinal cord. What are the clinical relevance? A surgical emergency, delayed diagnosis can lead to permanent paraplegia. Life-threatening emergency due to spinal abscess. How to spot it? As you can see, it is hyperintense on T2. Due to this spinal abscess, the spinal cord completely pressed. It is the most painful for the patient. The other panic finding is cauda equina syndrome. What are the key findings? Severe compression of the cauda equina nerve roots in lower spinal canal, often from a massive disc herniation. How to clinical relevance? A new surgical emergency can lead to bladder and bowel dysfunctioning, lower extremity paralysis, saddle anesthesia. You know what is saddle anesthesia? A loss of sensation in your lower genital areas. How to spot it? As you can see, significant narrowing of the spinal canal in axial and sagittal images. This is the massive disc herniation. The other panic finding is aortic dissection. What are the key findings? An intimal flap within the aorta that separates true and false lumens. What are the clinical relevance? Life-threatening vascular emergency, high risk of rupture, cardiac tamponade, or organ ischemia. Rapid and accurate diagnosis, surgical or endovascular interventions. How to spot it? As you can see, this is the sagittal oblique view of aorta that separates true and a false lumen. You can see the visible tear in between true and a false lumen. Okay, due to the shortage of time, I am discussing very shortly cardiac MR. Acute myocardial infarction. What are the key findings? On CMR, acute transmural infarction with microvascular obstruction is a panic finding. It indicates ongoing ischemia, reperfusion injury, cardiac arrhythmia, heart failure, and sudden death. High risk of arrhythmia. What are the clinical relevance? Cardiac MRI doesn't not show only the infarct, but it also helps to diagnose, treatment, management, clinical prognosis. It also helps to diagnose and differentiate. It also helps to determine infarct size and extent. It detects microvascular viability and evaluates microvascular obstruction. How to spot it? It gives high signal in the affected myocardium of T2 and T2 mapping. As you can see, this is the enhancement around the septum. Subendocardial or transmural enhancement in the coronary artery territory on T1 post-contrast late gate images. This is the pattern of late gate gadolinium enhancement. This is foci, this is multifoci, that's diffuse and it's globally diffused. Okay, the other is regional wall motion abnormality, akinesia or dyskinesia in infarcted segment on cine MRI SSFP. Perfusion detect in the region supplied by the blocked coronary artery. As you can see, this is the picture of the same patient, the septum around, the enhancement around the septum. Okay, it's time to conclude. Rapid and accurate interpretation of MR studies should be crucial in emergency settings. Prioritize communication. Always communicate critical history directly to the referring physician. Document the communication. Final thoughts. Always correlate imaging findings with the clinical history. When you have any doubt, call the doctor, call the attendant. Timely diagnosis and communication saves the life. And in the last, teamwork is the main key to resolve any panic findings. Thank you for your time and consideration.